What's that, Stephen?
It's a
Set
Delivery for you?
Yeah, it's a gift.
It's a gift?
Yeah.
Oh, wait. Ang hirap buksan? Is that for you?
Yeah.
Let's open it.
It's so hard.
It have carton for protection. Diba? Oops.
It looks like a man box.
Look like a blocks.
Yeah.
What's this? Oh, sit down there.
Yeah, for maybe
Yes. Careful. It's very sealed.
still.
Oh. Here. Have tape.
Ow.
Have some tape. Let's remove the tape.
Easy. I got one.
Got one.
One skirt dong.
Yes.
Kalapit toy. Kala.
Lalagay natin to sa wall.
Huh?
This is Days of the Week. This is ABC. And this is for reading. This is month. This is for reading. For reading. Another ABC. For reading. Reading. For reading. For reading. For reading.
What's so
Reading. Colors.
like colors?
Araw sa isang linggo, Tagalog. Mga buwan ng taon, Tagalog.
The last one.
Sight words.
It's summer.
Yes.
I don't know.
We will stick it the wall here.
I can
Set girl.
Tommy had them speak.
You like it?
Yeah.
You sit
Dapat
down.
natin to the
Picture ikaw, sit down. Sit down, di kita. You like it?
Yeah.
Yeah. You want to hold everything?
Yeah.
How will you hold it? It's big. Oh, you hold it like that. Yay! Picture. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay.
Oh.
You say bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye. Here. Here, camera. Bye. Thank you for watching, you say.
Thank you for watching. Bye.